Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 6 and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is integers. As you all know that we have already started the exercise 6.1 and we have already completed question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and today we will discuss question number 5. We will not actually solve that question on the board, we will discuss only, and afterwards 6 onward we will solve the questions. So in question number 5, a list is given of the 5 places in India on a particular day of the year in which the temperature is given. So here it is given in at Siachen 10 degrees below 0. So I told you previously that any quantity below 0 will be taken as negative and the quantity above 0 will be taken as positive. So below 0 means negative. How much negative? 10 degrees below 0 means minus 10. Then Shimla 2 degrees below 0 minus 2. Ahmedabad 30 degree above 0 plus 30. Delhi 20 degree above 0 means plus 20. Srinagar 5 degrees below 0 means minus 5. We have to write those temperature. Then some questions are given. The first question is A part. Write the temperature of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. So we have already written. Second one, following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. So as you can see, minus 10 degree is written there on the number line. So at minus 10 degree you are supposed to write whose minus 10 degree is there? Siachen. Then minus 2, at minus 2 you will write Shimla. So like this you are supposed to complete that number line, writing, mentioning the name of the city at a particular temperature. Afterwards the C part is there, which is the coolest place. Coolest means whose temperature is highest, means in negative, that will be the lowest one. The lower the temperature, the cooler will be the प्लेस. सो किसका सबसे कम टेम्परेचर होगा? माइनस में, और माइनस में हम देख रहे हैं नंबर लाइन पे जो द टेम्परेचर विच विल बी एट एक्सट्रीमली लेफ्ट ऑन द नंबर line, and that will be minus 10 degrees. If you see after when you mention the name of the cities on the number line, you will see the city's name on the extreme left will be the coolest one. Write the name of the places where temperature are above 10 degrees. 10 डिग्री से ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर कहाँ पे है? अहमदाबाद में है प्लस 30 डिग्री, दिल्ली में है प्लस 20 डिग्री, एंड द अदर सिटीज़ आर हैविंग टेम्परेचर इन नेगेटिव. सो द आंसर इज ओनली 2, दैट इज अहमदाबाद एंड Delhi. Afterwards, question number 6. Question number 6 we have to solve. So, up to the part A, B, C, D, E. These are the small numbers. So you can see from the number line given in the previous question. So we should draw the number line like this, and we should represent the 0 in between. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, like this. On the left hand side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here it is minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20. At the same time this will be plus 5, then 10, 15 and 20. If no sign is given, then it is understood that these are the positive numbers. So on the right hand side of the 0 are the positive numbers, on the left hand side of 0 there are negative numbers. So in this question, in each of the following pair, which number is on the right of the other on the number line? So first part is given 2, minus 9, 2, 9, not minus 9, 2, 9, and the numbers 2, where is 2? 0, 1, 2, 2 is here, and 9 is here. Which is on the right hand side? We have to see right hand side. On the right hand side, 9 is on the right hand side. Always the larger number is there on the right hand side of the smaller number. So we can write here 9 will be on the right hand side of 2 on the number line. So this was the question number 6 part first. Now the second part, minus 3 minus 8, minus 3, 0 minus 2 minus, that is minus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is minus 8. Which number is on the right hand side? Minus 3 is on the right hand side of minus 8. At the same time, we can compare 0 and minus 1. 0 is here and minus 1 is here. So 0 is on the right hand side. So like this you can see, you can observe from the number line. Now the f is there, 1 comma minus 100. So 1 is here, we all know 0 is here on the right hand side to 0, that is 1, and here minus numbers are coming. So minus 100 will come on this side, on the left hand side. So 1 will be on the right hand side of 100. We can assess, we cannot draw the number line up to 100, but as the numbers are coming, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, so the minus 100 will come on the left hand side only. So like this we are supposed to proceed this question. Afterwards we will discuss question number 7. As I told you previously, whenever you are watching the video, you are supposed to have your textbooks with you, so as whenever we are solving the question, you should also read the question at the same time, and you should also see what type of information is given in the question. Afterwards, now we are supposed to discuss question number 7. Write all the integers between the given pair in the ascending order. 0 and minus 7. 0 and minus 7, that is the part A. We are supposed to write all the integers between 0 and minus 7 and in the ascending order. So we will write these numbers in the ascending order. So minus 1 is less as compared to 0, so that will be on the left hand side. So minus 7 and 0. So we can see from the number line, so after minus 7 this side it will come minus 6, then minus 5, then minus 4, then minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, only this. After minus 1, 0 will come. So we can write minus 7 this side and 0 this side. So these are the numbers lying between minus 7 and 0. So this is the answer. What is the answer? Minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. At the same time, the B part is there, minus 4 and 4. Minus 4 and 4. As we can draw the number line, that will be helpful to you. So that is 0 this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So we are supposed to write the numbers between minus 4 to plus 4. So minus 4 is here and plus 4 is here. So we are supposed to write the numbers in between minus 4 and 4 in the ascending order. So as we all know that the number line is already in ascending order. So what we will write? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So to solve this question, that will be easy if you draw the number line, and afterwards you can find the answers easily. At the same time, question number 8. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. So first of all, we will draw the number line. Afterwards, we can solve question number 8 and 9, and we can see the answers of 10 as well. So we should draw a number line first of all. In between, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, minus 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, minus 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that will be plus 5, 10, 15 and 20. Now at the same time, now we are supposed to read the questions. So in question number 8, part first, write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Minus 20. So the integers on the right hand side of minus 20 will be greater. So anything we can write: minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16, minus 15, minus 14, anything on the right hand side. We are having minus that is negative numbers, 19 negative numbers we are having in between 0 and minus 20. So we can write either of the answers. Write 4 integers less than minus 10. 4 integers less than minus 10. The integers on the right hand side of minus 10, that is minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, will be less than minus 10. At the same time, question number 9, in which we are supposed to state whether the given statements are true or false. Minus 8 is to the right side of minus 10. Minus 8 it on the is on the right hand side of minus 10, that is true. Then minus 100 is to the right side of minus 50. So suppose you are taking some part, that is minus 50, minus 60, minus 70, minus 80, minus 90, minus 100. So minus 100 is on the left hand side. Here it is written minus 100 is on the right hand side of minus 50, that is false. Smallest negative integer is minus 1. Smallest negative integer is minus 1. No, less than minus 1. Many negative integers are there. Minus 1 is the largest negative integer. No negative integer is there greater than minus 1. Is minus 26 is greater than minus 25? No, minus 26 will come on the left hand side. That's why it is not a greater than minus 25. So like this you can solve the questions. I hope that you have understood and you will try the questions of this exercise. If you face any problem, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your problems. At the same time, after completing the work, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we should also maintain the name, the record of the name of the students who are completing their work on time and as well as correctly. Thank you very much.